Hello everyone, this is Judy from Judy M Art Studio, and today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas ornament. The technique that I'm going to use, you can use to paint just about anything ceramic. It's a really cool marbling technique, and it's simple to use. So let me get right to it. I'm going to take a clean ornament. So I'm going to start with my lightest colors first, and I've got them lined up right here in the order, and I'm just going to put drops all over the ornament in various places. I'm going to do the first three colors, move the inks a little, and then add the other colors on top. You want to try to get every little bit covered with ink. Oops, that's one of the ones I used at the end. Let me try this one first. That's one of my darker ones too. All right, and then you're simply going to take your rocket blower and just puff the air. Move the ink around, try to squeeze it. Don't worry, actually, you want those little lines that you're getting. Try to move the ink way out to the edges if you can. If you can't, we're going to be going back over with a couple different layers. All right. So I'm going to go back and add a little bit more to the places that I've missed. And you can see how the ink, it's what's called blooming. The alcohol in the alcohol ink repels the other colors, pushes them away, and that's how we get this really cool marbling technique. Is the inks don't want to be in the same place with the other colors. So they kind of push them out of the way. You can see the lines that are being formed. And we're just going to blow them so they don't have those harsh ridges. And try to get all the way around to the edges. I'm going to do a little bit of botanical now. This is more of a green, like a grass green or a leaf green. A little bit brighter, it's still a yellow hue. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of the bluer greens. Add a little bit of the limey. And the cool thing about the blue greens and the yellow greens is they make green. Blue and yellow make green. So you can have different hues of greens and they go beautifully together in this project. And then I'm going to add some clover green on top. You can see this is more of a blue green. And then I'm going to go back with a few of the little lighter ones just to pop it out, give you some dimension, some texture. And then I'm going to go back through and make sure all the white is covered all the way around the edges. And then once this is dry, you'd repeat and do this again on the other side. When I do the second side, I usually will put it on top of something so any inks that fall off don't go on the side that you've already done. Because again, once alcohol inks are poured, they like to repel each other, so you don't want to ruin the beautiful side you've already done. There you go. I'm not going to play with it too much because I kind of like that. So there you have it. There's a really cool Christmas tree or a holiday tree. And I'm going to just fix this because it's got a little bit of a line there, which sort of takes away. There we go. I like that a little bit better. All right, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And if you have not already, please subscribe to this channel with the dot below or the icon below. And please feel free to like this video and to share it with your friends. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a creative day.